Helpston level crossing in Cambridgeshire with Joe, Andrew, 5, Joe, Shane, Andrew, Jamie. I do right on my brother, colour 5.
Too many people trying to do an intro here, guys. And
there we go.
There we go.
Now, the time now is. The time is 13:42 on Saturday, the 1st of August, 2054.
it's Jamie.
14:46. 1 Echo 1 Sierra 18. Trains East Coast service from London King's Cross to Edinburgh.
Yeah, we just waiting on your King's Cross to Edinburgh service. What's the head code? 1 Echo.
1 Sierra 18.
Oh, okay. 1 Sierra 18. 1 S18. Whatever you want to call it. There's a load of dandelion seeds. I think this is the biggest. I think this is the biggest meet we've ever had. I think this is the biggest meet we've ever had.
Yeah, there's so much I forgot to bring a Coke.
No! Oh, I've already had one today, so I don't really.
I think we'll probably whiz off after that.
Yeah, we're going to help
Norwich.
Maxi!
Baxi.
This crossing,
That is a new alarm, I know it is.
That's the same alarm as it always has been.
This side is the side where the lights are slanted.
No,
on
this
that
is
side.
Andrew. I've been here 3 times. I know that alarm's the same.
Yeah, 3 times you've won the exact same top 3 times.
No, it's not.
Let's train again. What have we got again?
Edinburgh King. No, King's Edinburgh.
Watch the skirt. You see? Completely knackered.
Knackered, mate!
Decent SPX, eh? Someone said this. That's the Mark II. Lincoln's got an MK3.
On that side yet?
Look, Lincoln's got a Mark III. No wonder it's knackered. Lincoln's got a Mark III.
Andrew, how can you not be on that side yet?
I don't fancy running. I wouldn't max 6.
I don't fancy running.
That's got a long
You have to
time
be
on it.
careful on these things if you run, you might trip.
Whee!
Dead.
Just point at the floor. Don't like looking at floors.
Shame.
Only Mandy will.
Oh, 6 Hotel 78. Joe, can you find that on RTT? 6 Hotel 78 's approaching.
What?
6 Hotel 78. That's the actual head code.
Ooh,
78.
so that's
I can't find it, but it's on the list.
is that a good roof?
Yes, the Gubber.
Probably Middleton Monk Breton then.
That's not it. That isn't it.
What about Dalton's Moor Scunthorpe? When
I'll quickly search it.
There's a Peterborough Rugeley, which is got
No.
FRGT. There's a Neely.
I'll search it.
I can't find it.
I'll search it. That's Doncaster Peterborough. It's way late. Yeah, it's on Tullington's only. Joe, flick to Tullington's for its details.
so
It's on Tullington's.
are we waiting for that as well, or are we?
Tullington 8:13, 26 till 78 from Doncaster Peterborough.
And just for my viewers, Jamie, what is the time?
It's 13:44 on Saturday the 1st of August 2015.
What he said. Because I don't have a watch or anything, so I can't.
It's the actual
And I can't be
outside,
bothered to get my
but because
and I
the
can't be
road
bothered to get my
works,
phone out.
This is what the side you should use for walking across, but that
Peterborough
side
service
is
from Doncaster down to Coy to Peterborough.
Virtual.
That's probably a load of sheds. That's usually a load of sheds.
We're here.
Here she is.
That's
91.
There we are.
Oh God.
Hey? Oh God.
91, 131, and 82, 223, and freight. 66, 729, Derby County again. 66, 732, 66, 709, 66, 755, and 66, 754. All of that to Peterborough. That's a very short freight train.
And all those punished for that. And
That does not deserve 5 sheds.
it does now because we're staying.
We're not staying, are we?
Well, he's not near his ping bong.
It's Helpston, anything is possible. You take main line, so anything can be possible.
Helpston.
1 Lima 8.
Okay, what's that?
It depends on the traffic.
That one's early.
It's late, sir. It's all changed just to
And that's logic with Jamie Martin. Logic not.
Oh yeah. 13:31, 1 Lima 08 from the train service in Norwich.
Oh, also wait.
52.
We've already got that, haven't we? That was a different Norwich Liverpool. Or is it Liverpool Norwich?
Liverpool. I'm going to Liverpool Norwich.
Oh,
that
thought
way,
so.
wasn't it?
Yes.
So this is a delayed one. Somebody on this side. Hang on a minute. Which one is it going to be? It's going to be
coming on the far end.
Liverpool's this way, it'll be coming on the usual first track most likely.
How come? He wasn't, on that.
It's like
Hello, Jamie Martin.
going to Maxi next, I presume. Hello.
Hello. How was your time,
Welcome
sir?
to Peterborough.
Yes. I like to get other YouTubers involved in my videos. Why, you ask? Because.
Because why not? It's fun.
Yes.
Over there, if you don't already know, the second track there crosses over there to make a fourth track to make ECML all the way up to Tallington and to the sidings and all the way up to Newark. There might
And
be more
places.
tracks. There might be more tracks at that point. But, I'll go to the other side.
Yeah, I don't even know what I'm doing. It's Spike and Matthew. They've featured in my Wolverhampton video. And Smokelick.
And the Hawthorns.
Yep.
And then you will.
Yes. Anyways,
Still nothing.
I can hear something. That's probably car engines.
You can hear something.
Nearly 7 minutes.
We can see something on the... There's nothing over here yet, Adam. I'm just standing on this wet bag. Now you're standing... Feels like someone's... Yeah, you know what I mean. Ah, God! Been waiting for about 7 minutes now.
And now more logic with Jamie Martin. He says we've been waiting for 7 minutes. He be correct. Logic. Not. He already has. You have too much logic. Just saying.
It's 7 minutes of logic. Oh, here she is! And we've got...
Here's a 158. 158, 854. 158, 854. Bound for Norwich. There it goes. Finally. And that's very much it.